Hi, everybody. My name is Kara. I manage content and social and all things written copy at Amplitude. And I'm here to share a little demo of Elevate, a tool that we use internally to share pre-written updates with our social networks. This tool makes it extremely easy to find great content that other people inside the company have suggested and share it with your followers on LinkedIn and Twitter. Okay. So you can get to Elevate by going to your LinkedIn.com profile, clicking in your top right corner on the work icon and down to Elevate. Or you can go to linkedin.com/elevate and it'll take you right here. Your home screen will look like this. This is the feed. It's a scannable list of all the content that we have suggested that you share with your networks. Most of the time it will be me suggesting things to share, but a lot of the times, and I'll show you how to do this later, you guys can be the ones who suggest stuff to each other to share, which is super cool. So all you have to do is come in here and say, oh, interesting, okay, this looks interesting. I see a lot of other people have shared this one, 14 other people it looks like. I'll share it. If you want to share it, you click the share button. And I've already written a update for you, but you can customize it and edit it if you want. And then you can click, I want to share it to LinkedIn and Twitter and Facebook. You can uncheck it and just check that and check LinkedIn again. And you can either schedule it to share now in the sharing preferences, the best time for your network, or you can schedule it for a different day in the future. So I'll schedule this one for Leah for Monday, July 23rd at noon. Good times to share in the morning, at lunch, or during the commute time when people are likely looking at their phones and trying to find content to read. So all I'll do is come in here and click schedule. Super easy. And then it has all these other ideas for you to share. Okay, moving on. So you can do this as much as you want and just clicking on the shared links for whatever it is you want to share in the future. But let's say you want to share something. So click on the share button and this is how you can share articles personally to your LinkedIn. And the great thing about this is that you'll get analytics on the types of businesses that are interacting with your content. So if I want to share something, I'll go find the link, found this interesting article, how to improve customer experiences with real-time analytics, very relevant, and come to Elevate again, type the URL in, and then you can decide you want to share it to your LinkedIn or your Twitter account at any time that's best for you, or you can do this really great thing, which is called Suggest to Elevate. That means that it will come to me, the admin, and I can say, hey, everybody, look at this article that Leah just shared. You can share it too. So if I click Suggest, it will come to the admin and pending approval for me to say, great, everyone can now share it out. Awesome. A few other things I want to highlight you to here is the leaderboard. You can see people in the company and how they're doing on engagements and posts. This is based on the number of clicks, likes, and comments and reshares on any content. So you can see a lot of people are playing the games of engagement here. You can also see you and what you've done and how each of your posts have done as far as interactions. And then you can also see your schedule of what you have planned to share. Okay, one last thing to do is tell you about the Elevate button. If you go to settings, you can add this button to your browser window. They're called Elevate It. So anytime that you are browsing the web, you find an interesting article, well, instead of posting it only to industry channel on Slack, you can also share it to Elevate, and that helps the rest of the company get in tune with what they can share on social to make everyone look like a trusted expert in product analytics, growth, and product strategy. If you have any questions about how to use Elevate, why, when, or you have ideas for me, please email me at Kara, C-A-R-A, at amplitude.com. And I really look forward to seeing all of you put this tool to great use and become extreme trusted experts. Have a great day.